recover your cell phone. Easily and quickly. Completely reset. Another thing I want to mention is that we have different methods. We have 3 methods to recover your cell phone, which are in the video description and in the first pinned comment. We've left them there for those who want to try other methods. Leave a comment indicating which model it worked for and which it didn't, so we can send you a video or write to you and guide you on what you need to do. The idea here is that everyone can solve this. Now, having said all that, let's connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin this recovery process. We're going to go here and connect to our network. What we're going to do is we're going to get to the screen lock where the Google account appears. We're going to get there first so we can start all these recovery steps. The idea here is that we can solve all of this. We're going to wait here until it takes us to that section where we'll find some functions. We're going to deactivate and activate some functions, which I do recommend. If you don't do it correctly, this process won't work. We're going to click here where it says, Use my Google account, and we can see that we have the screen lock here. We have the Google account now. Now what we're going to do here is click here, write anything. And we'll do it again here. Now we're going to do it for 30 seconds. We do these 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds have passed, we'll go back to the home screen. We go back to the home screen, and we'll be doing the following configurations. This is the easiest and simplest way. Quickly, we'll go back quickly. We'll click here. Accessibility, enable it, double-click here. Double-click here, and click here on Finish. We'll click here on Deny. Double-click here on Power Off. Turn it off, click back. Now click the screen several times, go back one click. Add new network, gear icon. Language, the 3 dots, update, go back. Go back, disable here, go here, click. Sorry, it's here, sorry, we'll go back to this last option. Disable here, click on reset. Delete everything until we delete where the cache is. After we've done that, now we press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and what we're going to do is a forced restart. We're going to do a restart. If your cell phone is forced to restart, here's what we're going to do. The idea here is that you can also fix it and recover it. Let us know in the comments if our video tutorial worked for you, so we can help you with any method that didn't work or any function that didn't appear. We're here to help you recover and fix your phone. As we mentioned in the video description and the first pinned comment, we'll also provide other completely different methods. Updated methods, PC methods, and PC methods. Now that we're here, let's do this. Click here on Start. Click here on Add, and now we're going to activate. Click here on Android and search for another phone. What do we need here? A screen lock. What are we going to do? Pay close attention. We need a Google account, which is essential. Then we have to choose a camera like this one. The Google camera, you have to have it there, and you're going to scan this. What are you going to do here? You're going to tap where it says, Sign in with Google. This will sync for us. What are we going to do here? We're going to add this screen lock we have here. This will sync even the Google account. You know we have all these settings. And the account on this phone will sync across both devices. Now, when they're syncing, this little circle will appear. If you see that circle, what are you going to do with it? You're going to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and what you're going to do is restart the phone. You're going to restart it. Now, when the phone restarts, that account that the other phone had will sync here on this phone. The Google account will be fully synced. Now, with all that said, what we're going to do is wait until it takes us directly to the home screen. Once we're here on the home screen, we'll be finishing this recovery process. Let's recover it now. Pay close attention. What we're going to do now is click here on Start. Then click here on Add. Wait a few seconds. Wait here, wait. Wait here, if you can see that the account has been added. Click Next. Now click here where it says Don't copy. Click here, you can add any screen lock. We're going to click Skip. Now we're here in Google Services. Click here, click. Here, Accept. Wait a few seconds, click Continue. Say, No thanks, wait a few seconds here. Wait, click on these small blue letters, click. Skip, click, skip, click, add, click. Next, and that's it, completely finished. When it's finished, just leave. In the comments, please indicate which model it's working on and which it's not, so I can help you troubleshoot this. Recovery. Now, click here, wait a few seconds, click. Continue, and it will take you directly to the home screen. Now that we're on the home screen, we're fully recovered.